Hey folks, welcome to the video that unlocks and reveals the hidden value in your SAP system. This is Martin. Welcome back to the conversation. Today we're going to dive into the tricky topic of KPIs. If you can measure it, you can manage it. We've all heard that before. It's about intentionally managing and improving what we have. In this Leaders Digest demo today, we're going to discuss what it takes to put KPIs to good productive use. When we are looking for the right KPIs to drive our business, we have no further to look than our friend Sean. He is the master of balance and focusing on the widely important things. So Sean, can you help our leaders find some productive KPIs to dig into as we look into improve our teams and the use of SAP and ultimately have a path to achieving business outcome? Sean, tell us more.
So Martin, did you know that SAP is always talking to us? It's giving us so much information that sometimes it can be overwhelming. Oftentimes we don't know where to find what we're looking for. So as leaders, we actually force the team out of SAP and into an online report or spreadsheet. We ask them to spend time on pulling data out, and I'm here today to talk about driving activities back into SAP. There's no one metric to rule them all, but there are important KPIs that can be brought together to drive our improvements. As leaders, it's critical that we look for conflicts and help the team understand how to approach outcomes in an integrated way. The other point I'll make before we jump in, it's very important to target set the focus on getting metrics that are trending in the right direction. For some of those KPIs, it's not the discrete number that we're going after. Rather, it's a time-phased incremental improvement. Right, so let's go in and take a look. Now, my intention today is to spark some curiosity as to what some of the KPI summaries look like in SAP. For this, I'm going to look at the material analysis tool key figures that are available in one of our report options, MC.9. And so here I'm going to run this report and we'll get some results in a moment. And from that, for this exercise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on a single MRP controller. And let's choose 008. So we've highlighted 008. And what we want to do is open the key figures that are available to this report. So if I have extras, show me all the key figures. There we go. Before we look at some of the details, let's remind ourselves as leaders, we need to use KPIs productively to focus the business on collaborative outcomes, going to bring balance, direction, and buy-in.